Hey everybody, in this video we are going to talk briefly about polyhedra and their faces, vertices, and edges. So first, what's the difference between a three-dimensional solid that is a polyhedron and one that is not? The difference is simply that a polyhedron can have no rounded edges. Okay, so something without rounded edges could look like this. You could have a prism. There's no rounded edges there. One that is not can have rounded edges. So once you have rounded edges, it is not a polyhedron. If I could spell edges correctly, that would help. Okay, so something like a cylinder has rounded edges. It is not a polyhedron. Okay, now here we have two polyhedra, and we want to know the number of faces, vertices, and edges. So faces, vertices, edges for each of these. Okay, so for the number of faces, on this one here, we have a face here on the bottom and one here on the top, so that's 2. Left and right, that's 4. And then we also have front and back, and that's 6. But then we have this one little piece right here. It's kind of sliced off the corner, and that is face number 7. So this has 7 faces. Vertices are the corners. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 vertices. And then the edges are all the line segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Something we learned a while back is that if we add the number of faces and vertices, and here we get 17, that should be 2 more than the number of edges, which it is. Okay, so that is Euler's theorem, and it works here. 7 plus 10 is 2 more than 15, so we can be reasonably certain we counted everything correctly. On this next one, faces, there's one on top and one on bottom, and the top and bottom are both pentagons, which means there will be 5 lateral edges here, or lateral faces, so that's a total of 7 faces. Okay, then vertices, there's 5 around the bottom and 5 around the top for a total of 10. Now 7 plus 10 is 17, which tells me there should be 15 edges. Okay, but we'll count. There's 5 around the bottom, 5 around the top, so that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15.